Hi, I'm Tom.
Hi, I'm Aisha, and we're redesigning recruitment with YouWrk.
The UK is experiencing record highs in job vacancies and businesses need great people. But roles can be hard to fill when needs fluctuate seasonally, like in hospitality, logistics and manufacturing. So where do you go when you want to recruit great people for your business?
A traditional recruitment agency, where costs can be high and you have little control over both candidate selection and screening times. Or maybe a digital-only job board, which are cheap but offer no candidate screening, even around eligibility for work, risking time wasted. So we're doing something about it, combining what we believe is the best in human and digital recruitment, with YouWrk.
So what makes us different? Well, we use a hybrid approach led by our single end-to-end digital platform. It uses Stripe for fast ID and eligibility checks, plus subscription management and payment processing.
This is blended with hands-on and human account management to support a smooth, speedy service from arranging job interviews to ensuring everything is processed as it should be. Our clients tell us they love our fast and transparent service, and we have tons of positive feedback from our active database of workers.
I was drawn to YouWrk's energy and fresh approach. I believe that the recruitment industry is ready for a refresh, and YouWrk's positioning as a young, dynamic brand exactly fits the bill for what is needed right now. Since launching, they've posted 1,730 live jobs and signed almost 300 businesses to the London and the surrounding areas. And they've been featured on BBC News and BBC Radio 4.
Since launching 2 years ago, we've grown a database of over 57,000 active users, with 300 new sign-ups every week. We're growing quickly and we're ready to take a bigger bite of the £38.9 billion UK recruitment industry. How?
Well, with funds raised, we'll develop an app with features to appeal to our demographic. It's a bit like a dating app, only for job hunting and, well, hopefully not disappointing.
We also plan to expand our team so we can onboard more businesses and deliver enticing marketing campaigns to spread the YouWrk word to both clients and workers.
We really believe the better way to recruit is with YouWrk, and we can't wait to meet the needs of more UK businesses and workers.
We hope you'll join us in delivering our dynamic staffing solution that works for everyone. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go.